Good morning, snowmen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to explain how you can stake your ICE token on the ICE open network chain. So earlier today around 7 a.m. the news was published on the official website that the staking is live and it's actually a liquid staking. So if you have your ICE on the Binance Smart Chain network or any other network, I would recommend you bridge those tokens to the ICE open network chain in order for you to participate in the staking feature. It allows you to earn more ICE with an APY of 74%. So the first thing you want to do is to get Mrs. Browser installed on your phone. If you're using a mobile device, get Mrs. Browser installed, and on your Mrs. Browser go to your extension. This is extension. Under extension you search for ION wallets. That's from the store. You go to Chrome Web Store and you search for ION wallets. So you get the wallet installed, and right here you will see how to Chrome. You add to Chrome and then add the extension. That's all you need to do. You come to this three dots at the bottom of your screen and you enable desktop sites. So this displays in desktop format. You need that in order for you to access the staking sites smoothly. So after you've you've installed the ION wallet, you create a wallet, back up your seed phrase, you choose a password. The password secures your wallet in case your phone lands into another hand and your wallet are still on it and it's all accessible. But with your password, nobody can initiate but without your password, nobody can initiate any transfer out of your ICE wallet. So choose a secured password and make sure you back up your recovery phrase. It's a 24 words seed phrase. To create a wallet, then I'll drop a video on how to bridge from BSC to ICE open network chain in the description of this video. Watch that video to know how to bridge your tokens from BSC to ICE open network. So once you've bridged successfully and you have your ICE on your ICE wallet like I do on mine right here, then the next thing is to go to the staking website, which is ICE, which is stake.ice.io. You can see it's stake.ice.io. That's the website to stake your ICE token. So once you get here, make sure you're still on desktop site. Then you connect wallets. Now this wallet connection would only work with ICE open network wallets. You can't connect any other wallets. So you tap on connect wallet. This should redirect you to your wallet extension. Then you grant permission. You type in your password from your wallet extension. Let me refresh this again. Network has been really crazy today. So I'll connect wallets. I don't know why it's not redirecting. Stake.ice.io. So I'll connect wallet. Okay, now it has redirected. I scroll down and tap on connect, and this is where I put in my password. So previously I staked some tokens. That's why you can see it's now showing my staking balance. So if I want to unstake, I'll tap on this unstake button. So let me just show you how unstaking work. Then I'll show you how to stake. So on staking, I want to unstake everything I'd staked. I'll tap on max. That's 987. And I'll tap on unstake. And it should redirect to the extension. I'll confirm. From the extension, I put in my password. And now the transaction is sent successfully. That's how you unstake. Now if you want to stake, let me just refresh the page. It would not show staking balance, it will just show this. Then it's still showing me this because I still have a very tiny amount of highs left after deduction of fees and the likes. So you tap on stake if you want to stake. So I want to stake the max I have right now. That's 21,493 in total. So I'm going to receive 20,603 Lion. Lion is actually a token that represents your staked highs on the ICE open network ecosystem. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the stake button. So now I'm staking 497. So I'm going to cancel this. I just remembered something. If you want to stake, I recommend you don't stake everything completely. Since I have 21,494, so I can do 21,400 instead, and I'll leave the 94 in case I need a tiny amount of highs for fees to unstake. So I'll tap on confirm, put in my password. So now I just staked 21,400 highs token. So let me refresh. It's supposed to show my staking balance. So it has not appeared yet. It's just not okay. Now it has appeared. That's 21,398. That's what was staked, which is equivalent to $165. So this is how you stake your ICE token, and from the beginning I showed you how you unstake. It's a liquid staking feature. You can stake and unstake anytime you desire without any issue. So what I have left on my balance is 91 highs, which is equivalent to 71 cents. So guys, that's how you stake and unstake your highs. If you happen to have any challenge regarding any of this, please drop a comment on this video, and I will attend to your questions as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Yeah, one more important thing you should know. For now, once you bridge your ICE token from BSC to the ICE open network ecosystem, you would not be able to unbridge or bridge back to the BSC until the Online Plus app is launched. So please keep in mind, bridge only tokens or spend amount you know you would not be needing anytime soon, because I don't know when the Online Plus app would be available for public, or when they would enable the feature to bridge back to BSC or any chain. For now, it's not working. I've tried it several times and I've reached out to the team as well, but I've not gotten any response regarding this. You can bridge to highest open network ecosystem, but you cannot bridge back to BSC, and you can only sell the BSC token on the exchanges. you cannot sell the highest open network chain yet. The chain is only available for staking, and it has not been integrated into all the exchanges that have listed highs. So even if you want to send this from your wallet to an exchange, you would end up losing the token unless the exchange provides a chain for the highest open network. If there is no chain like that, please don't send this token to BSC. You will lose the token. So thank you for watching, and that's the important info you need to know before you proceed with all of this info. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.